6:30 in the morning actually, and it is probably the coldest day of the year right now. It's like it feels like 9 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm headed up to the mountains of North Carolina today, and the plan is to film it if I remember. So here's the beginning. I know you can't really see me, but I'm headed to my friend. I just realized Siri just turned off my thingy. So anyways, I don't know what thingy or what cut off, but I'm headed to Boone. It's gonna take like 6 hours, and stay tuned.
I mean, I'm not skiing all the days, so I might leave it.
No ice on the roads yet, but yeah, we made it. We're not at the Airbnb.
So you can't work no more.
He might just be down the road. Maybe he came in a different way.
Spraying on the crap, take to the grave. Ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar. Shout out to Dennis, my bitch is a star.
Look at those are good.
That's possible.
Everyone is on their phone.
Not us.
Dweebs. We made it to the ski rental place. We're in Boone, North Carolina, or whatever. So, we made it.
We did it.
Tons of boards at our normal spot where we rent stuff. But I don't rent because I have my own. All right, we made it. We made it out here. A few people got stuck. Not this monster of a vehicle, but for now, it's snowy.
They're all coming up and trying hard.
Nice. Made it home. To the crib.
That goddamn house.
Made it. Taking a little break. All I've had is caffeine. First one up here. First run for the boys.
They got snow.
Finally. That's what we're looking at here. You excited?
Hell yeah. We're about to have a blast, man.
Up here. Get your ass up. Beach.
Speed, baby.
Unlimited. At the top of the little easy street.